Hello YouTube and everybody out there, just doing a project share for what was originally supposed to be a small baby boy album. She wanted me to put it in a box, and I thought I had a box, and technically I do. It's just the box was way too small. Well, not way too small, but not as big or roomy as I would like it to be. And the cover was hard to get on and off. It was like an iPad or iPod or something. I don't know. It was my stepdaughter's. But anyway, so the only other thing I could think of was to use a shoebox. Because the person wanted me to do it wanted to mail it. So that's why she wanted it in a box specifically. So I decided to go ahead and make a few other things to help, kind of fill it up a little bit. So I know it's kind of hard to see because, God forbid, I have good light around here. And this is the reason I chose this box, which you'll see with the papers, and plus, it's for a boy. So as you can see from staring at this for the past minute or so, this is the top. I figure the receiver, if they wanted to, they could put like a wallet size and like the name and whatnot, or if they wanted to do like, the big foam letters or something, or wood or whatever, and spell out their little boy's name, they can, whatever they want to do, or if they just want to write, whatever. So, on the inside of the lid, I covered it. This is the Hip Hooray, or Hooray Baby, sorry, paper line. Sorry, I only have one hand right now, or otherwise I look and see. Well, I guess technically I can. Hold on. The Paper Studio. Alright, so on the inside here, I have a few little goodies, which I haven't made shipping ready yet, but I will as soon as I get done with this video. Alright, so also cover the inside, bottom. This is like a dollar frame. I just mixed in some of my distress spray. Yeah, it's bedtime. Mixed in some distress spray, the Mermaid Lagoon, with my gesso. This used to be black, so I covered that. And this is a 5x7, I do believe. There you get to see my lovely ceiling fan. But anyway, so I had a mat that came in it, and I just covered it, cut it out. So I thought that'd be really cute. I wasn't using it anyway, so I might as well give it to somebody that actually might use it. Alright, gonna move the box real quick. There's always little things on my craft area. Like, even though I just wipe it down, I swear to God, little things, fibers and fuzzies and... Ugh. Okay, so I originally wanted to do a wallet mini album to begin with anyway, because I'm currently at a chipboard. I'm waiting for more to ship. So that's why I told her I was going to use my other box. But anyway, so then it's magnetized, and I just use this little button to hold everything down. And I left a lot of open space for the person to add more photos or journal or whatever they want to do, really, honestly. Alright, so I'm going to finagle things around real quick. There we go. Okay, so here is a pocket. I think that's really cute, that little that paper. It's adorable. Alright, and then here I just left it blank because if they want to do something with it, they can go ahead. And there's a pocket right here. Sorry. I'm trying to look through the camera lens, but not look through the camera lens, if you know what I mean. Alright, then right here is a pocket. Boom, boom. That all folds back up. With technical difficulties, ladies and gents, hold on a second. It's definitely my bedtime because my brain is just not functioning correctly right now. Okay. So also, hold on, let me get something that'll work. All right. So also, I made these little extras. And I don't know if I should tell you what these boxes used to be. Because at first it sounds, kind of weird, but in all honesty, I mean, if I didn't tell you, you wouldn't know. These were tampon boxes. I forgot what brand it is, but it comes with one size, one box, and one size. It's all in the same box, but it has like 3 separate boxes for the 3 different sizes. So, yeah. Okay, so I'll start with this right here. This one, I just made a simple little booklet with some Baker's twine, as you can see, and then I put the month. They can write, 1, 2, blah, blah, and it gives them a couple pages per month to write whatever, milestones, things they did, that sort of thing. So there is that, and this one has a little tag book. These are intended to be given like to the grandparents or siblings, whatever. So that is the original intention for what these are. So, and pretty much really mass stamped the back of these. Of course, that falls over. So they could put picture up front, journal in the back. And of course, my camera doesn't want to focus for some odd reason right now. But whatever, I'm just going to keep trucking. And then pretty much it's all the same stamp, not coordinates, but same sequence. Oh, well, actually, maybe not, because I forgot originally this was going to be the cover. So, sequence got changed up a little bit. But that is okay. Alright, so that is that one. If I can get it back in the box. Alright, so This right here also has a tag book, but I also made a refrigerator magnet. Oh, come on, focus, please. Thank you. Took some chipboard and embossed it. Had this old refrigerator magnet literally just plopped on the fridge. Never gets used. So I'm like, well, you know what? It will today. And so this one is pretty much, I don't think this is, yeah, I stamped this one, sorry. Pretty much the same concept, really. I didn't do a whole lot of actually any paper, really. Except for the front. But it is the same stamps as from the other book, so I'm not going to go through even, every single one. And I didn't do all the paper and whatnot in this one because, quite honestly, my blade for my paper trimmer was just too dull. Like, I was having to go back through and trim out, the little fuzzies. You know how it goes if you have I have a Fisker, so. But anyway, that is the project share, and so on and whatnot. Like I said, I will probably do like washi tape over the entire thing. Let's just get everything back together. That way it'll be ready to be shipped and things won't be flying out over the box and whatnot. So anyway, that is pretty much it. Alright, thanks for watching, guys. Bye.